What's up, guys? Biker Dave here on a rainy afternoon in Atlanta, Georgia. I got an easy one for you. Let's say you come outside and you see your downspouts from your gutters. If they are not pouring freely like this, you need to investigate either at the top of this, way up there at the top where the gutters meet the roof line. It's very possible that your downspout is clogged up near the top up there, or your gutters in general are clogged all the way across. And if your gutters are really stopped up, that can cause other problems as well. I experienced this as well at my house. What I noticed is anytime my gutters will be full of debris and leaves and things, because you see I got lots of trees above the roof here. If the gutters get really clogged, water would start pouring over the gutters straight down the side to the foundation, and then you'll notice water starts coming underneath the slab of your foundation. That's usually what happens for me, and it happens. I mean, I have to keep the gutters clean here because we have lots of trees, and usually 2 to 3 times a year I have to climb up on the roof and get it done. So, but what I usually notice first is the downspout would not be pouring freely like you see here. So that's just one easy tip for you. But yeah, if you'll keep your gutters clean up there, you'll probably have less issues with water coming under the foundation and then coming up in the basement area of your home. And yeah, I notice it every time throughout the year. And when you have a place like this with trees all the way across the roof and all that, that's just what happens. And I don't use the gutter guards or anything like that because a lot of the debris would go underneath it and I'd end up having to clean the gutters out anyway. So I just leave mine open up at the top. I do put a little screen right above the downspout up top there. You can get that at your big box store, your Home Depot and Lowe's and whatnot. Anyway, it just started coming down. I thought I would share that with you guys. We have tons of videos on our channel relating to cars and dirt bikes and ATVs and motorcycles and working on stuff around the house and fixing things and solving problems and whatnot as far as home related and car related. So make sure you check out our channel. We also have a very busy eBay store, Amazon store, where we sell parts and specialty tools relating to motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, snowmobiles, stuff like that. So you see the links in the description. And watch for the thumbnail links to pop up at the end of this video that'll send you to other areas of our channel that you might enjoy. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.